And now connect that crystal circuit to my processing core.
Like this?
That's it.
I can't believe it!
Told you could do it. Look out!
Bog Dog!
Bad dog, don't serve.
Chris!
Bog Dog has been waiting for this. Bot or not, Bog Dog is gonna mess you up.
No!
What'd you say?
I said no! My family needs me. I don't have time for this.
You don't have time? You better make time for Bog Dog. Hey, wait, no! What are you doing? No! No!
Who's a good
No! No!
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I knew it. You really did need a belly rub.
Oh, you cheated.